Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you are all doing great. Just finished my classes at uni and heading out now. It rained a lot a little bit while ago, so it's pretty cold outside. Uh, the winds are super chilly. Oh, and I'm on my way to the bus station right now. Leeds is such a beautiful city, but honestly, I haven't had much time to explore it yet. Hopefully, this weekend I will go out and see a few places around. And last night there was a festival here. The streets were full of lights, music, people having a great time, and truly, that the vibe was amazing. I really love how lively this city gets, especially in the evening. Anyways, it's getting colder now, so I better hurry before the next bus leaves. And you can see the hotel Radisson Blue, and actually, the it's a very beautiful city, and as far as I know, Leeds is the second highest financial hub in UK, and it's the third largest city. And I saw some Korean and Japanese, Asian as well. So I can say that here the it's a multinational city because people from all around lives here. So it's a little bit cold now, so I have to leave. I just I almost reached the station, so stay tuned. I will share more about Leeds in my next video, inshallah. That's a beautiful sculpture here. Guys, my bus is already race and I have to hurry, so I have to finish my video here. Okay, see you again. Bye.